it's me, Courtney, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a quick, I don't know if that's the right word, but we're doing a New Year's look today. And I wanted to try to keep it mainly cool tone. I did end up going in with a little bit more of a peachy lip than I wanted to, but I tried to keep it cool tone overall just because I feel like everybody does warm tones on a daily basis. You know, that's me on a daily basis. So I just wanted to do something a little bit different. But yeah, so if you are interested in how I got this look, then please continue to watch. I'm gonna start with priming my lids with concealer. I'm not setting this with powder because I want a super saturated look, and a tacky base is the best way to get that. I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath Mothership 3 palette and tap into the black shade first. And I'm gonna run that at an angle on the outer edge of my eye, sort of creating a wing. And I'm bringing it all the way down to my lash line. Then I'm gonna run that black color into and above my outer crease, following the shape of my eye. Next, I'm going into the brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to run that into my crease where we left off with the black. I know it looks a little bit messy, but I promise you it'll be cleaned up in the end as well. While I'm bringing it all the way into the inner eye corner, I'm also going to begin running it over the top of the black shade as well. The brown is sort of going to work as our transition shade in this look. Then we blend. And you definitely want to add more black when needed so that it isn't completely losing its pigment, and bring it more into the inner crease as well. Next, I'm using my concealer to cut my crease, leaving the outer wing and just filling in the inner lid. Going back into the palette, I'm taking this beautiful blue shade, and I'm gonna pack that on top of the concealer we put down. And then I'm gonna reinforce that black again. And blend a little more. Next, I'm gonna take a flat angled brush and apply a little glitter glue to the back of my hand. I'm gonna line my eye with that glitter glue, following the black shadow we put down, and we're basically gonna be creating a wing with the glue. Using a black loose glitter, and with the same brush, I'm tapping that glitter onto the glue that we put down. I went ahead and did my other eye and added lashes. I primed with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And then I'm going in with my Stay Naked foundation today. With all of the foundations I've been trying this year, I just wanted to make sure I was actually using them, and this one was definitely one of my favorites. I'm also going to use the Stay Naked concealer as well, starting with the deeper of the two shades first, and then using the lighter shade to brighten. By the way, all of the products I'm using along with the shades will be in the description box below. I'm contouring today with my Uoma Beauty Duo Stick so that I'm extra snatched. Once blended, I'm taking my Fenty bronzer and adding that warmth to the skin while setting the contour. For blush, I'm using She's Passionate by Patrick Ta. I actually really love these blushes. They're buildable and they have a slight glowy sheen to them, and it gives your skin a nice, beautiful movement. To finish off the eyes, I'm using Milk Makeup Gel Liner in Biz in the waterline. This color specifically has a slight metallic touch to it, which goes perfect with the look. Next, I'm going back into that black shadow and adding that to the lower outer lash line, connecting it up to the wing without disturbing the glitter. Then we're gonna place the brown in the middle of the lower lash line and blend it out, keeping it close to the lower lash line. Dipping back into that blue from the palette, I'm adding it to my inner corner and wrapping it around down to the lower lash line in the inner corner as well. Using the Dior palette for highlighter, and I'm also going to add it to my tear duct area for a little bit more shine. And then we set. For lips, I use Kylie Brown Sugar to Line, Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Sand. And if you want, you can leave it matte, but I chose to go in with a gloss. This one's from ColourPop in Fantasia. And there we have it. What's so funny in all of this is I don't even think I'm doing anything but staying home for New Year's. But if I was going out, this would be the look. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys all had a wonderful holiday. I hope you guys have a happy new year. All of the products that I used today will be in the description box if you are curious. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if the mood suits you. And I will see you guys next year. That's crazy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.